Hey, if you want to get the dynamic island on the CMF Phone 1, first of all you will have to go into the Google Play Store and you will have to search for this application, the dynamic spot, dynamic land. Now you will have to open it, wait for this welcome screen, and now we just have to set up this application. Click next at the bottom, tap done, click on the select apps. From this I can recommend you to select all apps. Right now you are allowing to send notifications through the dynamic spot. Go back, select notification access. From this screen scroll to the dynamic spot, click on the switcher, scroll down, click allow, then go for the draw on the screen, click allow again. If it doesn't work, just repeat, click next. From this screen select dynamic spot, click on the switcher, scroll down, select allow, and now it's finished, so we can click done. And that's how it looks when you receive notification. You will have to accept the permissions, and now take a look. You will get this dynamic spot. You can open it, read your notification, and then you can for sure close them. And in this application sometimes you will get pop-up ads, not on the dynamic island notifications, just in the application, but for sure you can close it. And here you can even find some customization, like for example you can change the color of this dynamic land, like let's get for example the yellow or maybe green. Now we can find also the screen timeout. I'm gonna show you where this actually is. Okay, after this time it will be hidden. Let's get for example 5 seconds. So now when I'm gonna tap on it, after 5 seconds this dynamic notification will disappear. There we go. So that's how we can actually customize it, and the same when you expanded this notification, it will be also turn it off after 5 seconds. And here you can customize a lot of options, so I can highly recommend you to get inside this application and set it up like you want. Right now please subscribe to my channel.